going to have our lesson for today, let me first introduce myself. I am Sagle, your teacher for today. So, are we all good? Great, and I am very thankful to see you smile today. Before we start, I want you to ready yourselves. You must pay your attention and clear up your minds for our great lesson for today. Are we clear? Okay, our lesson for today is all about pronoun. Do you have an idea what is pronoun? Good job! Pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. It can also do all things that nouns can do. They can be subjects, direct and indirect objects, object of the preposition, and more. Here are the examples of the pronoun. He, she, it, they, someone, and who. Again, he, she, it, they, someone, and who. And for us to know more about the pronoun, here is the example. Susie is one of the most beautiful in the campus. The name Susie that is being used in the sentence is a noun. But if we will going to use pronoun in a sentence, it should go like this. She is one of the most beautiful in the campus. The word she is the pronoun which is the one who takes place the noun Susie. Are we clear? Great job! But for today's lesson, we will going to focus on personal pronoun. But first, what is personal pronoun? Personal pronoun are often used instead of repeating a name in a multiple sentences that are close together. This can also help to avoid repetition and ease the flow of the sentences. Example of personal pronoun: I, he, she, him, her, it, she, me, them, they, us, and you. Again, I, he, she, him, her, me, them, they, us, and you. Though the name suggests that personal pronoun would only be used to describe people, but we should also remember that personal pronoun such as it and they can also stand in for objects, places, and ideas. Again, personal pronoun can also stand in for objects, places, and ideas. Did you get my point? Great job! And now, let's proceed to the three cases of personal pronoun. The three cases of personal pronoun are nominative, possessive, and objective. First, let us know more about these cases. Nominative case is used when the pronoun is the subject of the sentence. The nominative form pronouns are I, you, he or she, it, we, or they. Again, these are the nominative forms of pronoun. For example, she was quiet as she entered the museum. In this sentence, the subject or thing being named by the use of pronoun is the word she, and so this would also use the nominative case pronoun. And now, let us move on to possessive case. Possessive case is used to show ownership or possession of something. Take note about the word ownership. The possessive form pronouns are mine, our or ours, his or hers, their, its, and yours. For example, my car wouldn't start because I left the headlights on. In this sentence, my is showing whose car is being discussed, and the word is being the subject of the sentence. Again, possessive case is used to show possession of something. The third case is objective case. This is used as the direct and indirect object or the object of preposition. The objective form pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, and them. For you to understand it more, here is the example. I was so thrilled that I gave her a big hug. In this sentence, her is the object receiving the action in the sentence, and so is a pronoun in the objective case. The word I would be in the nominative case, as the purpose of the sentence is to demonstrate something about I as the subject of the sentence. Again, what are the three cases of personal pronoun? Excellent! The three cases are nominative, possessive, and objective. Then, what about pronoun? Very good! Pronoun is the word that takes place of a noun. And also, what is personal pronoun? Again, I can't hear you. Great job! Personal pronoun are often used instead of repeating a name in a multiple sentences that are close together. I guess we're all clear. And for that, to test your knowledge about our lesson, we will going to have our activity. Our activity will be give me dice. In this activity, you will going to give me a sentence using the three cases of personal pronoun. But there's a twist. In this dice, it contains the three cases, which is the nominative, possessive, and objective. In the other dice, it contains the number of how many sentences you will going to make. Let me show you how. And now, we have the number 1 and the objective case. You will going to give me one sentence using the objective case. And the word you will going to use is the word me. Now, you will going to use me in a sentence. Great job! That's all for today, and I hope you learned something from our lesson, and see you for the next fun lesson and activities. Again, I am Sagle, your teacher for today. Goodbye!